We have a new segment on Fox 26 where you can get our medical reporter to ask the doctor a question for you. This week we had a lot of dental questions, so Fox 26 anchor Melissa Wilson set out to get some answers for you from Dr. David Gomez with Summit Dental Center.
One of our viewers wants to know, how in the world do I get my teeth clean affordably? But she wants them white, really, really white. Do you have a suggestion for that?
Yeah, we have some really good products here, particularly for the bleaching that you take home. You know, you do it for 7 to 10 days. And it's a really good product in the sense that it gets really good results. It stays, it lasts.
And this is what you're talking about, these trays?
Yes, these trays actually work out very well.
This product is 15% hydrogen peroxide, which is similar to products you'll find in over-the-counter whiteners. Although at the dentist office, you can get an even stronger dose at 30% hydrogen peroxide. But Dr. Gomez believes this is just a short-term fix and that you'll have to buy the product over and over to keep up the results.
Okay, so this is the best way to do it inexpensively if you want to save money up front. But for the long term, what's the best way to do it?
For the long term, I definitely recommend, coming in, getting some trays done at the office so they fit your teeth exactly, and then doing the carbamide peroxide product. So for our custom trays, what we end up doing is we take this right here, we take an impression, and we end up getting a stone model out of it. Then later on, what I do is we have this plastic that's specially molded to your teeth that forms around them perfectly, and that is your custom tray.
And then this is the bleach that you end up putting in that custom tray. You just squirt it in there.
That's exactly right. It's going to definitely keep it lasting longer, looking better, and the upkeep's going to be lower. Also, by spending a little bit more to get the custom trays, that material won't touch your gums, which is something that you don't really want touching.
And so it sounds like overall this is going to be cheaper up front, but in the long term you're going to save a lot more money if you just do it right to begin with. Now let's talk about something else, and that's all the different procedures you hear about where you go to your dentist office for, let's say, for an hour treatment, and you go away whiter and brighter. What are the ups and downs of that?
Well, examples of that are kind of like Zoom whitening, products like that. It's great for if you have events or galas or whatever your event is going to be for the next day. It's a great product then, but the problem is you're probably going to have to get numbed. There's a lot of sensitivity, and what ends up happening is you still have to do the at-home bleaching to continue to keep it white as it is.
So in the long run, even if you do a procedure like that, you're still going to get those trays made and having to do that.
That's correct.
So your suggestion is do the trays up front and be done with it.
That's right.
Whitening your teeth at home or at the dentist's office can lighten them by up to 7 shades. You'll see better results if you skip the coffee. That's hard for us to do here on the Morning News. And you can send Melissa your medical questions via Twitter or Facebook. You'll find a link on our website.